Hello, Gulfport. Here's another city council meeting that I spoke up against criminality. And what I'm realizing is we got a corporation, Boca Ciega Yacht Club, protected by another corporation, the city of Gulfport. They're all making money, so why interrupt the apple cart? And this man that's going to speak right now, his name is Freed. He is running for mayor at one point, and he was vocal for a while, and now he's faded away, but he always had good things to say, and here he's asking the same thing I was just asking at the last city council meeting.
Richard Freed.
Local guy.
I submitted a form for a public records request. Leslie, you got it. Everybody got it. I hope I'm not going to be a problem tonight, Mayor.
Mayor has a problem with people that speak up. He's a bully.
I was reading the HRO.
Mayor Henderson.
And
Human Rights Ordinance. HRO.
I don't see where there's a standardized form that you can fill out.
Nope.
Or if there is an issue with an elected official. I don't think our city manager should be the deciding factor to determine whether or not there's a human rights violation for any of the citizens.
He is.
So
Crooked
we
Town.
need to address that. I mean, what if it's against the mayor himself?
Or the chief of police.
The city manager. There's a human rights violation, for example. I think it's appropriate for him to determine whether he violated the ordinance himself.
Crooked
so maybe
O'Reilly.
Andrew could speak to that, or outside counsel. That's what I want. I appreciate y'all doing what you're doing. Hard work. That's crazy you want to do it.
All right, anyone else for open public comment? Yes, sir.
My name is Ray Rodriguez. I've spoke up here about the human rights issues in the Gulfport also. Ms. Stanos, you want to address human rights issue and reparations from 10 years ago. Why don't you look at Boca Ciega Yacht Club and the number of human rights violations that have been addressed against them?
Council.
There was an investigation done by the Pinellas County Office of Human Rights, and they determined that Boca Ciega Yacht Club both is anti-Semitic and retaliatory.
Samantha Ring.
Retaliatory. They also determined in the human rights investigation at Pinellas County that they discriminate against Americans with disability, and retaliatory, meaning that they attack the people that file the complaints. I'm another person that was a member of Boca Ciega Yacht Club for a decade. I was attacked. There was an investigation done with a human rights organization. And I never knew Mr. O'Reilly was our human rights officer. And when I spoke earlier asking who was the human rights officer, I had no idea that he was the one. He's also received information about gender discrimination at Boca Ciega Yacht Club. What I've been doing is trying to get, through illegal avenues, freedom of information and sunshine law requests, and I can't get the information that I've been legally allowed to and request. Mr. O'Reilly, I've asked you a number of times for your meetings and your correspondence with Boca Ciega Yacht Club. You have yet to give me that. Mr. Saltzman, I've made 2 requests for all of your legal interactions with Boca Ciega Yacht Club. I have yet to receive anything from that. Mr. Ray, when you filed your bullying, when you did your bullying ordinance, you specifically were talking about Boca Ciega Yacht Club in those actions. Mr. Henderson, you've said over and over again that you want to find out the resources utilized by Boca Ciega Yacht Club in the city. I'm trying to do that, and I'm not getting any of these responses. One thing you should look into is, how about the 90 police calls that emanate from Boca Ciega Yacht Club in a 3-year period? Now, this is a utilization of resources.
Weaponizing
that the Boca Ciega Yacht Club has been utilizing the police staff towards their political gain and the marina staff. I have some emails showing that, but now that I am moving forward, why does it take 18 requests to get the police reports involving Boca
Coverup.
Ciega Yacht Club? Let me say that again. It took me 18 requests. Christine Brown, I understand that you've had a number of human rights violations, specifically Chinese. I went to speak to you also, and to no avail. Mr. Muth, I've asked for
City clerk.
the rental payment for Boca Ciega Yacht Club on 6 different occasions, and you have to provide that for me.
Cover up.
Thank you.
Blank CDs from the police of Chalif when I asked for police reports. Blank CDs.
That's what you get.
Something's wrong with Boca Ciega Yacht Club in the city of Gulfport.
Anyone else for open public comment? Yes, sir.
There we go. Post another one.